Test, 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 test. Test, test. All right. Let me see some. There we go. Test, test, test. All right, it's working. It's working. All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome into the stream. Market's going to open up soon. I'm watching Bitcoin right now because Bitcoin might be presenting us an opportunity. Hasn't done it yet. I needed to invert base. We got the 5-minute liquidity sweep. Now all we need is, if you see right here, tap into this 5-minute low. Now all I need is it to invert a 1-minute fair value gap. And if we get that 1-minute inversion, we are locked in for a trade on Bitcoin. I'm kind of bummed I missed this trade, but I was at the charts at like 5:45 a.m. this morning, and I missed about like 10 minutes. But there was an amazing 1-minute kill shot, and this would have been a pre-market trade. It would have been done for the day. But it is what it is. Like that's me getting into the charts pretty early. I'm not gonna rush my morning routine for this, for potentially trying to catch a trade. So, all right, market opens up for NASDAQ in 5 minutes. We might have just gotten a potential opportunity right here, but it's pre-market. So for me, I don't really like it because, as you guys have seen before, when market opens, it likes to get real crazy and probably hit this high anyways. Though it could be. But I don't take pre-market trades on NASDAQ. I will do it on Bitcoin though. That is when I will do it on. Let's find our. Where's our? There they are. There are. So, if we get the trade, this is what it will look like. All right. That's the fair value gap we're looking to invert right there. Looks like we might get it pretty soon. Looks like NASDAQ might. We'll see what it does over here. I'd be really bummed if it does it pre-market and doesn't give us something here. Oh, Bitcoin. I see what you're doing. Still hasn't done it. Still got a little bit to go. All right, 2 minutes to opening bell. Still no inversion. It's inverting it right now, but I have to wait for this candle to close. So if we can get a candle closure now in the next 50 seconds. It looks like we're getting that inversion. We'll see though. And the thing is, will we get tapped in on the inversion? Or will it run without us like it has in the past? All right, 13 seconds. Let's see if it gives it to us. And I don't think it's going to give it to us. And it doesn't look like it's going to give it to us on this candle. Nope, didn't give it to us. All right, market is open over here on NASDAQ. We're going to let this 5-minute candle form. This first 5-minute candle, see what kind of happens. See, let. That's why you don't take those pre-market trades. That's why you do not take those pre-market trades. You would have just gotten stopped out. Okay, Bitcoin looks like, oh wow, look at NASDAQ. All right, looks like Bitcoin's going to give us this inversion. 14 seconds. Now, will it tap us in, though? Now, will it tap us in? Is a real question. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, our order is in. Now, will we actually get... Oh, my. You dirty dog. You dirty dog, Bitcoin. You're not going to tap me in, are you? All right, and let's mark out. I'm going to do some of my calculations here. 2783 multiplied by 0.75. Our TP amount B. All right, we are. Oh my! It almost tapped us in. 0.20. All right, dude. No way if it doesn't tap us in. Oh my gosh, Bitcoin, don't do that to me. No way. How did it not tap me in? Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. How did it not tap me in? My order did not go through. That literally is on the line. How did it not tap me in? Oh, it did tap me in, but not. It didn't fulfill me. It tapped me in a little bit, but did not fulfill me, which kind of sucks. So it only partial filled me. I'll show you guys. I don't know if you guys can see it on the screen. Let me put it up here. Let me fix this. Nope, not that one. Nope, not that one. Could be this one right here. Hold on, my P&L is not showing with you guys. Okay, we are fully tapped in now. I'm sorry, it's not letting me show my P&L. We have our alerts up, so if we get stopped out, we will be alerted. Yeah, I need to, instead of focusing on the stream, I need to focus in over here real fast. All right, Bitcoin trade is in. We got our signal here, down here where we failed to sweep this low, pushing off, inverting the fair value gap. It's a good trade. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. And that'd be a bummer, but it is what it is. I don't love that 5-minute wick there. That is not ideal on that 5-minute fair value gap at all. But the thing that's good for us is NASDAQ is pushing pretty heavy right now. So hopefully Bitcoin can follow NASDAQ and give us some good momentum. We got fully tapped in now to our Bitcoin position. I'm going to watch now NASDAQ. There we go, Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks like it might give us an order block, which would take off a lot of risk, which I'd be very grateful for. I'm running into some troubles here on my... So we've got nothing on in regards to the 1-minute kill shot yet. We've hinted into a lot of liquidity on NASDAQ. Oh man, I'm running into some technical issues. Come on, dude. I hate it when technical problems get in the way. I bought a Top Step account. What is going on with all my stuff? Get a subscription. Why did I get... Is my internet down? What is going on? Oh, my YouTube's working. Sorry, guys. I don't know what's going on with my computer right now. I'm not really interested in taking NASDAQ trade right now because my NASDAQ stuff is not working. There we go. Bitcoin is moving great right now. I'm loving it. I don't know what's going on right now. We're monitoring an AWS outage. Some services may be degraded. Okay, so there must be an outage right now. So right now, none of my NASDAQ stuff is working right now to like take a trade. So, and it looks like there's an outage of some kind. Come on, Bitcoin, keep pushing up. Keep pushing up. Follow NASDAQ. Come on, Bitcoin. Give us that order block, please. Yeah, nothing on my NASDAQ stuff is working right now, so I don't even have a trade opportunity, but kind of makes me nervous. Looks like something's wrong. Oh, my copy trade's not working. The only thing that looks like it's working is my TradeAvate. But yeah, my copy trading software is not working. Even my Top Step account that I'm trying to log into and like look is not working. Oh no. We'll just focus in here on Bitcoin right now as that stuff's not working. I'm hoping we can, in the next minute and a half, this can push up and give us that order block that it looked like it was forming. And if you guys have been on stream before, like this isn't your first time, you've seen where like all of a sudden the candle will rip up and give us what we were looking for. I'm gonna, if we get this order block, we'll be moving our stops up to that 5-minute low there, taking off, I think, over half our risk. Yeah, it should be over half our risk if we're able to get this. Oh, no. Yeah, we're taking over half our risk off here. Just waiting for the confirmation for this candle to close, because we do not, I want to make this clear, we do not do things until candles close, okay? We do not do things until candles close. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Stop loss has been moved up to here now. And we've taken over half our risk off of the table, which I love to do. You guys know that I love to do that. Let's see if I can get you my P&L, dude. Like, why am I running into all these technical difficulties right now? Nope. Nope. There we go. There we go. Now, okay, now it grabbed the screen. There you go. Now you guys can see it. It was, for some reason, every time I clicked the right one, it would grab the wrong one. There we go. Now you can see the actual P&L. The realized P&L is the fees that we've experienced so far. So we're up. We should be hitting TP soon. If this continues, I'm liking the 1-minute time frame. 1-minute time frame has closed above highs, giving breaks of structure. So I'm liking the 1 minute. The 5-minute rise is leaving this big wick right now, but there's still 3.5 minutes left in this candle, so I'm not too concerned about that. I just hope that 1 minute can kind of hold this gap that it's created and keep pushing higher. If not, we might take a small loss here. We need to invert this 5-minute fair value gap. That's what we need to do. This 5-minute fair value gap is, every time it hits into it, gives us a strong reaction off. I'm hoping this 5-minute candle, this current one, can invert that 5-minute fair value gap. I think if we can invert that guy, we're good, because there's no fair value gaps over here. It's just this guy. If we can invert this guy, oh my gosh, I think we'll be solid. Dude, still none of my Nasdaq stuff is working. Okay, okay. Here we go. Is it okay? There we go. Some of it's loading back up. Let's see. Come on, Bitcoin. Invert that fair value gap, dude. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, there's nothing's working right now. Or Top Step's not working. My copy trader looks like it's now working. But still, I haven't even received anything in regards to trading on here. My Top Step account, I'm planning on trading. I'm planning on not doing the 1 minute kill shot on that, and I'm planning on going off my intuition with that one. I'm gonna be practicing just like, all right, I'm seeing displacement, I'm seeing respect to these levels. Let's take a position here. Let's take a stab at this, and let's see how it goes out. So, Top Step, I'm gonna be trading a little different and see how I do over there. But this is where all the other accounts that I typically trade with, we'll be sticking to the 1 minute kill shot. But Top Step is one account that I bought, and I'm gonna just, like with that one, just say, hey, okay, I'm seeing displacement here. I'm seeing the 1 minute time frame leaving fair value gaps, respecting fair value gaps. We're breaking outside the orb, blah 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 blah. Right? Like, that's what I'm gonna kind of use it for. because I feel like I can start trusting my intuition. There's many times, right, we won't take a trade, you know, because I'm like, all right, I gotta wait for my model to set up. But I also can like kind of like here, the way that price is reacting right now to weekly high, day high, London high. If I saw the right stuff on lower time frames, my guess is we could go to this weekly high up here, to top. Okay, maybe I can sign in now. See if top sub X is working. Will it work just in time if it's network timeout? Please try again later. Request aborted. Oh, this is really good for Bitcoin. 10 seconds. We might invert this fair value up here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. We've inverted this 5-minute fair value up. I love it. Let's go, dude. Let's go. That's really good for our position. All right, I can't even log into. Okay, so we won't be taking trades like that because I can't even log into the platform right now. I'm just gonna watch Bitcoin over here. I'm hoping we can hit TP pretty soon here. Where the TP marker is at 2R from original stop loss. Right now, from where stop loss is at, it's a 4.6R, but we are going off of original stop loss. Come on, Bitcoin. Hit that TP. I think TP's I think we're pretty solid right now. I don't think we're gonna run into much issues here. We've had a very bullish weekend. And I'm hoping we can kind of continue some of that momentum. Maybe even attack London high up here. And I'm hoping now that we've inverted this fair value gap, we can come and attack this high up here at least. Get some fuel here to hopefully push up even higher. So that's what I'm kind of, this M5 high at 111, 188 is what I'm hoping for. Yeah, I'm really bummed I can't log into my top step because I think it's about to set up for a nice little trade opportunity here. Let's see, does it let me log in? It's probably gonna say fail again. Three minutes left on this current 5-minute candle here on Bitcoin. I'm really kind of hoping it keeps pushing up, and I'm hoping within the next 2 5-minute candles we can just get this TP out of the way. Lock in some profits. Yeah, I can't sign into TopStep right now. It's not even, dude, if people across TopStep are having the same issue, people are probably losing their minds right now. I get it. Bitcoin's looking great, guys. Looks like we might leave a fair value gap behind here too. If we can invert this fair value gap and then leave a fair value gap behind us, I would love that. Looks like we're getting very close to TP now for Bitcoin. If we lock in this TP, can I get some dubs in the chat from everyone watching? Can I get some dubs in the chat if we hit TP? But not until we hit it. Don't say it until we hit it. You can't jinx it. A little alert noise. Stop loss, when we hit TP, I will move it to just break even. And then that's it. And then we'll just kind of wait for a 5-minute order block. We're getting real close now. Can we hit it in this 5-minute candle? Come on. That'd be awesome if we can hit it in this 5-minute candle. Just get it over with. Oh, it's getting real close. Come on. Don't tease me like that. Stop playing with me. Oh, I'm like chilly out here. I think Nasdaq's gonna about to rip. That sucks. I wanted to put in a position over here to catch that move. Kind of bummed that top step's not working. I wanted to try it out. There we go. Ooh, Bitcoin. That looks great. Hopefully I think within this current 5-minute candle that just started, I think we'll be hitting TP. Yeah, I cannot log into my top step at all. Every time a kid's telling me there's an error that it timed out. Whoa, Bitcoin. Whoa, 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 whoa. Chill out. You're going the wrong way. I want to see how it reacts to this 5-minute fair value gap. It looks like Bitcoin's coming to test that. Hoping it tests it and then it respects it and like just pushes. We might be getting maybe a new 5-minute order block here instead of hitting TP first. I would prefer it to hit TP, then give me the order block. But I will take whatever it gives me. Real. That is exactly that's exactly the kind of reaction I want to see off a 5-minute fair value gap. Now we still have a lot of time left in this candle, 3.5 minutes. So I'm not like, you know, too set on like, oh, this is gonna be a really good candle, because the 3 minutes on a 5-minute candle is a long time. It can do a lot of it can do a lot of things in 3 minutes. There, that's an actual test of that fair value up. Now we actually like went into that thing. I could see us maybe going deeper into it, but I prefer if it just kind of like pushes off of it, doesn't even spend much time around it. Now you actually have like a 5-minute unicorn too. You have this 5-minute. With the overlapping fair value gap with it, with a breaker block here on the 5-minute with a fair value gap in it. That's a unicorn on the 5-minute. So I'm liking the bullish setups here towards the upside on Bitcoin. There's a lot of bullish confluences I'm seeing that says I'm right. Now we just need to see what price tells us, right? Confluences are just something that helps you balance out like your trading, right? Of like, am I reading this properly? Am I feeling confident in this trade? And then price will actually tell you whether or not you're right or not. Man, we've gotten so close to that TP a couple times. I think we're about to get an order block, which kind of sucks. I'd prefer just to hit the TP and then we take order block. But whatever. I'm ready though. I'm watching. If it decides to, oh, whoa, there we go. Oh my gosh. It's close. Hasn't hit it yet. All right, we've taken a TP there. As you guys can see, we've realized $59.06. And now we just let it float and see what it gives us. Are we going to get a trade before the market opened? And if this is the move, right? If we're going to go attack like London high or something, or even higher, we could catch a really good trade right now. But I'm happy with the profit we've already locked in. I'm very happy with that. $59 trade already realized. We got 25% of our position left. Here that we can move stops in a profit potentially. I'm very grateful. That's a great way to start the morning. Great way to start the morning. Great way to start the week on a 1 minute kill shot dub with Bitcoin. Either way, this Bitcoin trade is a winner. Because even if it comes back down to our stop loss, we took 75% of our position off, so that's 25% running. It still ends green either way. So I'm very happy with that. Very good trade so far. All right, we're going to put that on pause. I'm hoping we caught a dub today. A dub. Yes. Right now we're up 60. Well, we've realized it's $64.59. Yeah. I'm just hoping maybe we can catch a nice runner. It might stop us out here. We'll see. It's looking like it could stop us out here. It was looking like it might give us an order block, but now it's not looking that way. These 5 minute candles are kind of weird. They're like off-centered and stuff. Come on, Bitcoin. Last 3 minutes. Push, 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 push. Still nothing over here on NASDAQ. I'm real bummed. I was hoping to kind of be able to mess around a little bit on Top Step and yeah, whatever. Alright, I'm done trying. I'll come back tomorrow for Top Step. We'll just wait to see if 1 minute kill shot presents itself on NASDAQ. Presented itself on Bitcoin, caught a dub, very happy with it. Now let's see if NASDAQ can give us the same today. Oh, by the way, we did hit TP, so if you guys want to in the chat throw in a dub for your boy, show him some love. I would love it. Put a dub in the chat for that winning trade today on Bitcoin. There we go. Come on, can you give us an order block? Give us an order block, Bitcoin. A minute and a half left on this 5-minute candle. I'm hoping we can get an order block here. I'm hoping we can get an order block. We need to kind of move up quite a bit, but it can do it. Hey, bud. Good morning. It can do it. For sure, it could do it. All right, we're in the final minute of this 5-minute candle. Nasdaq over here is still looking pretty bullish. I don't love the momentum. Like, it's very choppy, but it's still looking bullish. It's breaking above all these weekly highs, London highs. My guess is Nasdaq will attack this weekly high up here, and hopefully Bitcoin kind of does the same. Real Bitcoin, 10 seconds. About 10 seconds left on this Bitcoin candle. Can it rip up and give us an order block? I don't think it. Oh, it could. Nope, no order block. All right, while we're waiting for this, I'm gonna go make a coffee. I'm a little chilly right now, so I'm gonna go make another warm coffee. Oh, bummer. It's not looking great for Bitcoin right now. Hoping we can get a recovery here and not get stopped out. It's getting close to our stop loss. But I'm hoping it can bounce here. Oh, darn. It stopped us out. That's okay. We were able to, on this trade, lock in over a 2R. 2.52R on this trade. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let me download the P&L thing. I can show you guys. Boom. Dub today. $93.09 on Bitcoin that we're able to lock in today. Very happy with that. Very happy with that. Great dub. Great trade. Let's see where the count's at. Yeah, okay, so we're close to getting back to over 5K. We're at 49. What's in the account? 4952. 4952.28 is what is in the account right now. Let's go. Yo. Oh, I just missed that we got a follower in the last 30 minutes. Jan Skippo, and then LeBron said, yo, it's been so long. Where are you streaming? I'm on YouTube, Kick, and Twitch. But thank you so much for coming along. We caught a dub this morning on Bitcoin. A nice little dub here on Bitcoin. $93 dub. I'm loving this 1 minute kill shot for Bitcoin. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Thank you, LeBron. Thank you so much, dude. But lit. You remember how I said this is a 1 minute kill shot setup? That 1 minute kill shot would have got you even another dub. So, dude, the 1 minute kill shot is amazing, dude. I love that trade. I love this trading model. I did create a video. I'm gonna be recording it today. We have a thumbnail that's getting built, and then I got to get a video editor on it. But we will be creating a video that breaks down, one, how to pass an Apex funded account, and then two, inside that video is a breakdown of my 1 minute kill shot and two other models that I use to day trade, or I have used to day trade. Right now, I really only focus in on the 1 minute kill shot. It's my favorite model that I have right now. But I am creating a video. I'm hoping it can be done in the next 2 weeks. I'm hoping it can be done in the next 2 weeks of the complete breakdown of the 1 minute kill shot. That is on Bitcoin and NASDAQ. We use it for both assets. And so I'm hoping that you guys like it. And we'll be creating a lot more content on that. So you guys can literally have a video that clearly explains this model. And then after that one, after the Apex funding one, I want to create one that's just on the 1 minute kill shot. But I think it'd be valuable for you guys to also know how to pass an eval for Apex, because prop firms are a huge opportunity. I think I really like prop firms for anybody who doesn't have a large amount of capital. Now, if you're someone with like a large amount of capital you're willing to put into like an account, I'd say just go straight to a live account from like Tradeovate. But if you're someone like me who doesn't have a ton of capital, just throw in an account, prop firms give you a great opportunity. Man, I love that trade. That was a great trade. Great trade. Hey, the last 2 trades on Bitcoin have been dubs, so I'm loving it. How do I get myself higher ranked on Blowfin? What do I gotta do? On the copy trading. You know what? Who cares? I'm not even focusing on that. I just need to focus in on being consistent. And if you guys are watching right now from the live stream, what happened to the mustache, bro, and the $90 win? And is total or per buy? What happened to the mustache? So I have a little girl now. She's 1 year old, and she did not like the mustache. Like, she would like be really weird about it. Like, I would ask her for like a kiss. She wouldn't give me a kiss. So I was like, I'm gonna shave the mustache. And someone told me, they're like, you might want to shave your mustache. Sometimes like kids don't like facial hair in the beginning, and so I shaved the mustache. So I got rid of it. And is the $90 win in total or per buy? It was in total for that singular trade. So this singular Bitcoin trade, in total $90 win. Yeah, that's what I show you is exactly what we made. Is $90. So, and you might think that's not big. Hopefully, our goal, right? We start off small, and hopefully we can get those P&Ls larger. But I want to first get $1,000 in buffer in the account before we up our risk. Once we get 6K in the account, I think I'll be risking like a 1.5% to 2% per trade. So I'll about go from $50 risk to $100 risk. So that's what I'm thinking about doing. Once we hit $1,000 in the account of buffer and profit. All right, we got a 60% win rate right now. Our account's looking good. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I hope that helps, LeBron. I hope that makes more sense. We made it to that candle right there. That was a great trade. I'm very happy with that trade, guys. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna watch NASDAQ here still. Still nothing there though. All right, we're 50. How much money are we away? We need, ideally tomorrow, we need to make 4952.28 minus 5. We need to make $47.72 tomorrow, ideally. That puts us back over 5K in the account. Oh. I want to see what NASDAQ kind of does here. I want to see what NASDAQ does here to kind of like this high right here. Because it's kind of pushing down. Does it leave a wick here? Like I want it to be like a pretty big wick. And then pushes off of that. Because really, Nasdaq, if it was gonna be bullish, it should have already like really pushed. But it's in another 1 hour fair value gap. I don't like the momentum on Nasdaq over here is like pretty lame. Like it had one displacement, which was the opening candle, but then after that, all the price has just been really not a single fair value gap. I wanted to on Top Step. I wanted to do this. Right now we'd be up about 50-ish points on the day. I wanted to do that where basically it breaks the orb. You wait for it to opening range, right? You wait for it to retest. And that next candle that breaks out of the orb, like kind of taking that. And your stop loss would be right here right now. Or no, your stop loss should be at this low, still in the red. But then it would be at this one closes. Logged in, okay. There's not a single fair value gap here on the 1 minute. Let's see. Nope. 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 This is the first fair value gap right there. Yeah, you'd be up now 59 points. It's a bummer here on Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks like it came down to stop us out and it's going to run again. That's a bummer. Either way, even if we put it at break even, it would have stopped it out at break even. So I would rather put it at the 5-minute order block. But kind of a bummer that price came down to mess with you a little bit. And tap you out. Now Nasdaq's moving. See, look Nasdaq now. You'd be up almost 100 points now. 75. I would have hit my daily profit goal. Taking like, no, I probably would have done like 20. Yeah, I would have hit my daily profit goal right there to pass the eval. I'd have been halfway done with my eval already. Dang. Why did Top Step not work today? I literally can't log in. So stupid. Look, Bitcoin, you're so frustrating sometimes, bro. Why you do that to me? Man. Like, bro, why Bitcoin? Why? Why you stop me out? Why couldn't you let me have some fun today? I'm like pretty confident the way that Bitcoin's moving right now. I'm pretty confident it's going to London high, dude. Oh well. Oh well. Dang, dude, that's so frustrating. Bitcoin's about to rip. Stupid, bro. Stupid, stupid, stupid. That's the second time Bitcoin's done this to me in the last week. Dude, guys, you know what I've been playing with lately? I'm posting videos on is I created a cameo of myself on Sora AI, and it's pretty funny. I'm gonna be every single day. I'm gonna post at least once a day, maybe even more. I'm gonna post like a Sora AI video of myself. I think they're hilarious. I think they're so funny. If anybody has a funny Sora AI video idea that I should create, let me know. I've been creating them and I think they're funny. And they've actually been performing pretty well in regards to views. Every single one's gotten over 1,000 views on YouTube. All right. NASDAQ, honestly, I don't know if I'm going to really get something. At this point, I'd really want to see NASDAQ probably hit just like weekly high, this day high up here. This weekly high up here is what I'd probably want it to hit at this point before I decide to try to catch a short. Like, I don't want to, I think price is clearly shown its hand that it's going to attack up here. And so I don't want to try to force something. Because the only way I can take one right now is if it goes, you know, short. Actually, no, that's not true. If it came down to this low and wick, I could go long, but I would need it to come down to this wick. But you know what I love though is that this is doing my what's it called, discernment kind of trading that I was gonna do on Top Step would have worked today, where you kind of wait for it to come back, break out of that orb, you know, engulfing candles above these wicks highs. You know what I like here, what would have been the signal kind of for me. It's a very aggressive signal, but it's the fact that price here, you know, closed above these wicks, closed above all these wicks here, and then is like pushing out of the opening range also after coming back and retesting it. It's a very aggressive way to trade, but you can catch really good moves with it. And like you're not even risking that much. Like this risk was 26 points, you know, which is a pretty decent risk on, I think. If you get under 30 points of risk, I think on any trade on NASDAQ, I think it's pretty good risk. NASDAQ bull or Bitcoin bullied me here. Came to stop me out to then just rip. NASDAQ, Bitcoin's a bully, dude. Forget you, Bitcoin. Forget you, dude. But still, I'm loving the 1 minute kill shot on Bitcoin, dude. That's 3 this morning that all worked. This one over here, this pre-market one that worked. Pre-market worked. Market open worked. And then this one would have worked too. I mean, you're not getting an amazing trade here, but it definitely worked. You're hitting your TP. Watch, let me show you. Short. Actually, I don't know if you would hit your TP. Hi. Okay. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, seeing if this trade worked. Ooh, it did not hit your TP. Would you have been able to move stops? No. You would have been able to take off risk. So this one actually didn't work. This one actually didn't work. You would have taken a small loss. So out of the 3 1-minute kill shots, 2 would have worked. One would not have. But again, I personally don't like taking one after the first one works. Because the first one, in my opinion, the first one, once market is open, is the most powerful. I still would have taken this one pre-market, and I would have ignored this one here for when the market opened. I would have just taken this one and been happy. And this one, you would have actually been able to move stops into profit all the way down to this stop loss. You would have gotten stopped out here, which would have been a great trade. Probably even actually more profitable than the one we took today. Let me see. You would have had an insane entry. Okay, this would have been your entry right there, and you would have been able to lock in all the way down to this candle. Okay, no, you actually wouldn't have been more profitable. Actually, I think you... Oh, no, because we were able to lock in. We would have locked in some... Oh, no, you would have been more profitable on this one, yeah. You would have been definitely more profitable on this one. 3.63R, yeah. You would have been more profitable in that first trade, but... I barely missed it. I was like 10 minutes behind when it happened, when I got to the charts today. I got to the charts at like 5:45 a.m. And that one happened at 5:35 a.m. All right, guys. Hey, I think I'm gonna call the live stream today. What I'm gonna do is start working on. Honestly, I'm gonna start trying to record that video that I'm planning on. Get that one completely recorded for you guys, and then I plan on getting that recorded. Then hopefully once that's done getting recorded, I can look for some video editors. I'm gonna sit here, kind of watch NASDAQ. So if you're still wanting to know if I take a NASDAQ trade later today, if you follow me on Instagram, I always let my Instagram know whether I'm taking a trade or how that trade play out. And then also, if you subscribe on the YouTube channel, so I know some of you are chatting from the YouTube right now. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel, I do a live trading recap every single day. It's like my digital journal for you guys and for myself. If I end up taking a NASDAQ trade, you will know based on that live day trading recap that I post today. So go subscribe to my YouTube. All right, everyone. I will see you guys tomorrow morning at Market Open for a live stream. And then you'll see me later on with all my short form content I post today and long form content I post today. So, all right, everyone. I'll see you later. I hope you have a great rest of your Monday. Let's go Bitcoin dub. I'm so stoked that we got a green day and we got to kick it off that way this morning and this week.